2026 Porsche 911 GT3 RS. This is one of the most exciting track-focused sports cars ever created by Porsche. It combines legendary German engineering, breathtaking performance, lightweight construction, and everyday usability into one incredible machine. In today's video, we'll explore the exterior design, luxurious interior, powerful engine, driving performance, advanced technology, and expected price of the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 RS. So, if you're a Porsche fan or simply love high-performance sports cars, stay with us until the end. Let's begin with the first look. The moment you see the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 RS, you know it's built for speed. Every line, every vent, and every aerodynamic component has been carefully designed to improve performance while maintaining the classic Porsche identity. Finished in a stunning metallic racing yellow paint, the car immediately grabs attention. Under the bright showroom lights, the glossy finish reflects beautifully, highlighting every curve and every aerodynamic detail. The bold yellow color perfectly matches the aggressive personality of this track-focused machine. Starting from the front, the GT3 RS features Porsche's iconic round LED matrix headlights. They not only provide excellent visibility but also give the car its unmistakable face. The front bumper is larger and more aggressive than a standard 911. Massive air intakes help cool the engine and brakes while directing airflow around the car. A large carbon fiber front splitter improves downforce, keeping the front end stable at high speeds. The sculpted hood includes functional air vents that help reduce front-end lift and improve aerodynamic efficiency. Every detail has a purpose, making the GT3 RS one of the most advanced aerodynamic road cars Porsche has ever built. Moving to the side, the profile remains unmistakably Porsche. The smooth roofline flows naturally toward the rear while the wide fenders give the car a powerful stance. Carbon fiber side skirts reduce weight and improve airflow. The lightweight construction helps improve acceleration, braking, and cornering performance. The forged center lock alloy wheels are another highlight. Their lightweight design improves handling while allowing room for the massive carbon ceramic braking system hidden behind them. Large performance tires provide exceptional grip whether driving on public roads or racing around a circuit. Now let's move toward the rear. This is where the GT3 RS truly stands apart from ordinary sports cars. The enormous swan neck rear wing immediately captures your attention. This active wing produces remarkable downforce, helping keep the car planted during high-speed cornering. Below the wing, the full-width LED taillight strip gives the rear a modern and premium appearance. A large carbon fiber rear diffuser helps manage airflow underneath the vehicle while the centrally mounted dual exhaust system delivers the unmistakable sound of Porsche's naturally aspirated engine. Every angle of the rear has been designed for maximum aerodynamic performance. Overall, the exterior design is both beautiful and functional. Nothing has been added simply for appearance. Every vent, wing, and carbon fiber component improves performance. Now let's open the door and step inside. The interior immediately feels focused on the driver. The cabin combines luxury with motorsport-inspired design. Premium Alcantara covers the steering wheel, dashboard, seats, and door panels, while carbon fiber trim adds a lightweight and premium feel. The racing bucket seats provide outstanding support during high-speed cornering while remaining surprisingly comfortable for longer journeys. Yellow contrast stitching throughout the cabin perfectly complements the exterior paint, creating an elegant and sporty atmosphere. Directly in front of the driver sits a fully digital instrument cluster displaying speed, RPM, lap timer, navigation, tire pressure, performance information, and customizable driving modes.
Anyway, baby, just name the time. When I'ma come through, can you get me
The large infotainment display supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, voice commands, and premium audio. The multi-function GT steering wheel feels perfectly shaped for spirited driving. Paddle shifters allow instant gear changes while the drive mode selector lets the driver quickly switch between normal, sport, and track settings. The center console is clean and simple, featuring premium switches, USB ports, wireless smartphone charging, climate controls, and additional storage space. Although the GT3 RS is built primarily for performance, Porsche still provides a comfortable driving environment suitable for everyday use. Now let's talk about what makes this car truly special. The engine. Powering the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 RS is a naturally aspirated 4.0-litre flat-six boxer engine. Unlike many modern sports cars that rely on turbocharging, Porsche continues to use a high-revving naturally aspirated engine because of its instant throttle response, thrilling sound, and pure driving experience. The engine is expected to produce approximately 518 horsepower and around 465 Newton-meters of torque. Power is delivered through Porsche's lightning-fast 7-speed PDK dual-clutch automatic transmission. Every gear change happens almost instantly, allowing maximum acceleration without interrupting power delivery. The GT3 RS sends power to the rear wheels, creating an exciting and engaging driving experience that true enthusiasts appreciate. Performance is absolutely breathtaking. The car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.0 seconds, while the top speed is expected to reach approximately 184 miles per hour. Thanks to extensive use of carbon fiber, magnesium wheels, lightweight glass, and advanced aerodynamic technology, the GT3 RS delivers incredible cornering performance and stability. Porsche's adaptive suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, providing outstanding grip on both public roads and professional racing circuits. Large carbon ceramic brakes offer exceptional stopping power even after repeated high-speed braking. The GT3 RS also includes modern driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, parking sensors, rear-view camera, stability management, traction control, tire pressure monitoring, and multiple airbags. One of the greatest strengths of the Porsche 911 GT3 RS is that it feels equally comfortable on winding mountain roads, professional racetracks, and weekend road trips. Now let's discuss pricing. The 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 RS is expected to start at approximately $250,000 to $280,000 USD, depending on optional equipment, market, and customization choices. Buyers who select Porsche-exclusive manufacturer options, carbon packages, lightweight upgrades, and custom paint colors could see the final price exceed $320,000 USD. The GT3 RS competes with some of the world's finest performance cars, including the Ferrari 296 GTB, Lamborghini Huracan Technica, McLaren 750S, Mercedes-AMG GT Black Series, Chevrolet Corvette ZR1, and Ford Mustang GTD. Despite this strong competition, the Porsche GT3 RS remains one of the purest driver's cars available today because of its exceptional balance, naturally aspirated engine, precision handling, and race-proven engineering. Overall, the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 RS is more than just a sports car. It represents decades of Porsche motorsport experience brought directly to the road. With stunning design, incredible aerodynamics, luxurious craftsmanship, and world-class performance, it continues to set the benchmark for track-focused road cars. If you're looking for a sports car that delivers excitement every time you drive, the Porsche 911 GT3 RS deserves a place at the very top of your dream car list. That brings us to the end of today's first look at the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 RS. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews of luxury cars, supercars, and high-performance machines. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, keep chasing your automotive dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.
And I'm at the door, see you walking up to me, and you got something that's showing what's underneath. Still you expect me to make it do pleasantries, baby.